Bless me, Father Fries.
Speak, child.
It's been 2 months since my last confession. I don't really know where to begin.
This is a safe place.
I'm worried that other people wouldn't understand. I need to know that you can keep a secret.
What you have to say here stays between you and God.
Are you sure about that?
Just pretend I'm not here.
Have you ever been in love, Father?
I was in love once. God's love is with all of us.
That's not what I mean.
Moral love can be forgiven.
She's perfect, Father. Big brown eyes, soft skin. She's sweet. But I'm worried.
Worried?
People wouldn't understand, Father.
Understand? The love between a man and a woman?
Not quite, Father.
Where is she from?
I met her at camp.
A co-worker.
No, not a co-worker, Father. She's young.
This is no time or place to kid.
I'm not kidding. I love her.
My mother told me the fable of the elephant and the mouse. And I could never understand how an elephant, so big and so strong, would be afraid of something so tiny and so weak as a mouse. According to the fable, the elephant did fall in love with the mouse, but he got too close to her and sat on her and crushed her. And I realized that elephants are not afraid of mice. They are afraid of hurting them. Do you understand? I cannot give you absolution.
Please forgive me, Father.
Why?
I had to. I needed to.